grade 3. ICT, study guide. We're going to go over this together. Talk about the semester exam that's coming up. I will share this slideshow with you. You can look at it on your own. Hopefully you've seen this schedule. Please check this schedule to see when your class will be taking the practical and the theory. For example, G3A. We'll take the theory on Monday, period 3. Practical Thursday, period 1. The practical will be on computers in the ICT computer lab. I will be your teacher. And the theory will be on paper in your classroom. And I'm not sure the teacher will be with you, but you'll be fine. Okay? We'll talk more about the practical. First I want to talk about the theory, the one on paper. Please review the questions from chapter 1 on page 18 in your beautiful book. You wrote your answers on this ICT G3 chapter 1 review page. Remember this? Front and back. If you still have it, review your answers. If you don't, go through these again. Please. There'll be similar questions on your exam. Beautiful drawing we did in our notebooks. Traced our hand, we drew a hand, and then we drew microprocessors. Remember that? Think about the size of the microprocessors. How small or big they are. Hint, hint. And what part of the computer they are. They are the computer's brain. Okay, page 7. Read through that again. Also for our theory test, remember this. Please review the drawing you made in your notebooks. Hopefully you made a drawing like this. If not, you can study this one. Talked about browsers, web link, websites, web pages, how they're all connected with arrows and pages and all this stuff. Make sure you know how to draw this. See page 22 and 23 for more details about that. Okay? And finally, chapter 2, page 34. All these questions, be familiar with those. Go through those again. We did in class, and you can do it again. Okay, please review all those questions. So, if you are at school, and you're taking it at school, that's all you need to watch for this video. If you're online, we're going to go over the Juno pod now. You can stop now if you're at school, and if you're online, please stay with me and I'll show you how to go over the Juno pod. Please, when you take the test, make sure you're logged into your student, not parent, UIAJP email account. Okay? You'll get a link and it'll take you to Juno pods. Hopefully you've seen them. You're in grade 3. Hopefully you've seen them before and you know what to do. Okay? I'm going to have an opening slide. It's not a question. It'll just say how many questions you have, how much time you have, something like that. There's only 2 kinds of question formats for this test for you guys. Let's explain the 2 right here. And then you can hit these arrows to go back and forth. This will show you how many pages you have. There's 3 because this is just a quick explanation. These are called short answer. You can type in this box. If the cursor is not there, I clicked outside, you can click right in and there it will be. Let's see if you start typing. Nope, you got to click in and get a blinking cursor. What is the weather like outside today? You can write nice full sentences. Today the weather is cloudy and raining. Okay, and then you're going to hit your arrow ahead. I'm going to do something tricky here. I'm going to go and take this answer out just to show you later what will happen. So you'll have a lot of short answers, a lot of typing things in. Okay, so read the questions carefully and then type your answers in, then go to the next one. Please draw. This is another, you will have 2 of these kind of questions where I'm going to ask you to draw something. Okay, please draw a red circle and a green square, then write C next to the circle and write S next to the square. So there's a big square. I don't have anything to draw with. I'm going to scroll down. You can use this on the side. Hopefully you know how to scroll down at home. There's blue and red and green and all different colors. When you click it, it's got the white circle inside. That's the color you're drawing with. Okay, if you make a mistake, you can simply do undo. So what did they ask for? A red circle and a green square. Okay, you can do it as, I'm just doing this real quick. And then write some words. So you're going to do a drawing and then you're going to label some parts. I'm just doing quick C for circle. I might ask you to write some more and then S for square. Okay, I like it. I've read through all the instructions. I'm done with that one. I'm moving on. So this is what happens. It's going to go back to any questions. There's probably, I don't know, 10 or 12 questions on your test. And it goes back to the ones you didn't answer, which is nifty. Okay? And then you write your answer. Today is sunny. Get it? Sunny. And then it knows you did all your questions, and it's going to say ready to turn this in. If you are, then you can turn it in, and it'll go back to your dashboard, and you're all set. Okay? So hopefully that made sense. There's two different question formats. You're going to do short answer, where you type stuff in, and then you're going to do drawing and writing some words on top of the drawings. It should be fantastically easy if you go through this, and this, and this, and this. Okay? Good luck, good luck. Again, check your schedule. I will see you this week, and then I'll probably see you next week unless we have holiday. If I see you on Thursday, I can't remember my schedule. Anyway, oh my gosh, Mr. Patron. So the practical part of the test. I hope the people are still watching that were just worried about the theory one. Anyway, the practical part of the test, we've done, what have we done? My favorite things, you wrote me an email, and then you searched your name, and you wrote down some things, and then you put some images in. And then we did endangered animals, where you made a whole Google Doc, typed in, copied and pasted some information, and put some images in there. We will do something very similar. I'll have you make a Google Doc. I don't want you to copy and paste anything, so I guess I'll have you write original things. And you'll include some pictures to show me you know how to search for images, download them, and attach them to docs and all that kind of stuff. So the practical will be pretty straightforward. We have some videos that we can watch, my favorite things, or search your name to remind yourselves how to do all that kind of stuff for your docs. Okay, for the practical. Oh man, I hope the people that I'll tell them to watch at the end so they know about the practical. So practical theory and then the Juno pod. Hopefully that all makes sense. If not, ask me questions, okay? Bye-bye. Good luck on your test, kids. See you.